Melissa here bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Disneyland. Do you see right behind me? We are up on the train station platform and we are about to see Paint the Night. Yes, we're so excited. Paint the Night parade came back for the 70th anniversary celebration. We've had a VIP guide all day, and I want to show you what it looks like to sit in VIP seating up on the railroad station to view Paint the Night. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Here is the VIP viewing section. You can see here we have a reserve sign. We have all of this seating here. Here is our view. The parade's going to come right down here, and here are our seats. I'm super duper excited. There's our VIP guide, Megan, and let the parade begin. What did you think about Paint the Night?
I think that was my favorite parade I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. What was your favorite float?
Well, the floats were all gigantic, but
Yes.
I think my favorite one was the Slinky Dog. with the colors.
Yeah, that was so nice.
Yeah.
I love seeing it with you.
Yes, it was
Great.
awesome.
We highly recommend it. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. I hope you enjoyed the Paint the Night parade. It was absolutely magical.